Well, today is Friday the 23rd of January 2008. It's allegedly the 25th anniversary of the release of the original Apple Macintosh today. And here we have one. This is the Corestore example. It's in basically mint condition. It's like the day it was made. If we wander around the side, still got its reset buttons. The battery compartment lid has been removed for cleaning. There's the model number, M0001P. There's the magic label, original Macintosh, not Mac Plus, not Mac 128K, not Mac anything, just Macintosh. And most remarkably of all, was Macintosh Finder version 1.0, 18th January 84, this one's dated. It still works. It's got an early version of Multiplan on it. There you go. Spreadsheets. It's 1984 style. Version 1.01, April 1984. There we go. The Corestore Apple Mac.